Skate towards me. Come on, guys, skate towards me. Yeah, but that's backwards for her, right? She's a righty.
She is?
Yeah.
Oh.
Emma, come skate towards me. All right, Emma. Ryan's been giving you lessons, eh? Hey, Ryan?
Pretty good lessons. And we gotta see the pup really go.
Thank you.
See, there's a bit of holes in this ring.
What?
Holes.
Yeah.